In the last video, we have discussed about wrapper class. In this video, we'll talk about autoboxing. So what autoboxing is? Using autoboxing, we will convert our primitive data type into an object. So let's see that how to implement autoboxing. As you can see in my screen, that public class driver is written over there, and within that we have written public static void main. Now let's say that we have a variable that is int a equals to 100. Now what we'll do, we will convert this primitive data type into an object. So this a is a variable and int is a primitive data type. Now we'll convert this int into an object. So this object will be an instance of our class integer. So let's declare a class integer, let's say I, and we have to convert our a into object. So what we'll write, integer dot value of a. As you can see that we have converted our a into integer. So we are printing the value of a and we are printing the value of I. So this integer is a class. As you can see that I of our integer is in capital, so it means it's a class. So this is a class and this is a primitive variable. Now we are achieving every properties of object-oriented programming. Java C driver.java, successfully compiled, Java driver. We have got the output. This is what autoboxing is, and you can also write these things as well. You can also write integer, let's say that integer j equals to a. So every time you don't need to write integer dot value of. If you just write j equals to a, your compiler will automatically do that. So we'll write j. Java C driver.java. Yeah, so Java driver 100. So this is what autoboxing is. In autoboxing, we convert primitive data type into an object. So I think this portion is clear. In the next video, we'll talk about unboxing. See you in the next video.